Alright, so we're entering the village here, and this part is definitely optional. We're going to go ahead and kill an extra chainsaw guy for 10,000 gold. Now, the challenge with this part is that if you die before the church bell rings, you're going to have to redo this part all over again. And also, it can be a little tricky because you have to fight him in an alley with a dead end, and you can get ganged up on by a lot of the villagers. So I stopped there and grabbed that grenade because I'm going to be using it in a second. Give yourself some space between the guy in the door because you're going to be running behind him after you knock him down. And remember, the focus is on him. He has a lot of life, so you really want to damage him as quickly as possible. So this will help kill some of the villagers and buy me some time. And don't be afraid to just use your gun to shoot him and kill him quickly. And that's it. See you in the next video.